Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Google Play Games app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. So when you just click on settings, it's going to show for you this like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. So then you come to this list here and there you're looking for Google Play Games app. Or just click on search, then here add play or Google Play Games app is going to show for you like this. Click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on for stop here. Click on OK. Then you go down. Just click here on storage here. Come to storage list. Just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again. Then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.